Hello guys, and welcome to day 3 of 100 days of code with Chimiji and Summer. Okay, so firstly I decided to start the day by praying, and as a Christian, finding my way back to God is one of my main goals for the year. I started the next section of Angela Yu's course, and that's adding an asset image and an app icon. So at first I was really shy about making this video because there were a few people at the library. I don't know how I'm going to do this YouTube thing if I'm really shy about the people around me. But anyways, I went back to coding, and adding an asset image was not as difficult as I thought it was. It's just mainly having an image in your device and uploading it to the image folder in your app. And then after that, I decided to download the app icon. So for the app icon, I had to upload the image to a site called appicon.co.io or something, yeah. And then it will generate the image for to generate the app icon for iPhone and for Android. And then I had to go back and upload those images on my Android Studio. But firstly, I had to delete the previous one that was here because by default Flutter gives you like a Flutter kind of icon for all your apps, so you have to delete that one first before you be able to upload the new one. So I did all that and I was ready to run my code. So I face a lot of errors while running my code because the YAML file has a lot of like indentation stuff. So I was really making a lot of mistakes concerning the species. If it wasn't that, it was maybe I forgot to run the Flutter pub get to get the update from the YAML file, and then it was maybe the closing brackets or wrong spellings. It was really frustrating actually because they were just tiny little things that I forgot. Apparently, that wasn't the only error I was facing. I was also facing errors from the app icon. I accidentally deleted the wrong folder and I just had to retrace my footsteps and upload the right one. So after many trials and error and also browsing Google and checking Stack Overflow for where I was having the issues, and then I was able to like rectify all of them, run my code, and everything was really working perfectly fine. So the Android kind of gave me a few problems because in fact I was just thinking of just scraping out the whole Android and just building only for iOS, but I figured that being a mobile developer also meant that I could build apps for both Android and iOS. So I didn't want to kind of like limit my knowledge to only iOS, and I just decided okay, let me just check everything again and try to build it perfectly for Android. And at the end of the day, everything was really good. I was able to complete that section. I actually wanted to do more, but my battery was already low and I had to go back to my hostel to charge it. So I guess day 3 was actually kind of cool, just that I was facing a lot of errors, but I'm glad I was able to solve them all. And that brings me to the end of day 3 of my 100 days to code journey. Please follow my social medias, and I really hope that I'll be able to make it to the end of the 100 days of code, because the whole purpose of this YouTube channel, the whole purpose of all of this is to build my consistency and self-discipline. It's not that I haven't, like, the thing that I already started this Flutter course like 2 years ago or like a year ago or something, and I kind of stopped. Like, I didn't even get to where I was now, and I had to just stop and I just left it, and I'm starting all over again. I just hope that I can make it to the end of this. So thank you all for watching, and see you at day 4.